Hi, I'm Anupa and I'm going to make a very special recipe. Actually, it's your favorite recipe too. Let's make Amritsari Aloo Kulcha. So first, we've got some refined flour here, to which I'm going to add a little bit of baking powder. And to this, we'll add in some salt also and cooking butter. So after you add in the butter, you have to just mix it with the dough to ensure that the butter gets a little more crumbly. So while I do this, you can actually see that the butter has got mixed into the flour really well, and now is the time to add some milk. Well, the dough has to be firm dough, so add little milk at a time. Well, you can see that the dough is quite rich in flavor. Well, the dough is almost done. What we're going to do now is make them into portions. You're going to portion it out, shape them into balls like these. After you've done this, we got to rest this for at least an hour. Now for the stuffing, I've got potato which is boiled and mashed. So let's take that first. Now to this, we need to add in some kasuri methi, followed by some chopped green chilies. Now we'll add in some chopped onions, ginger. So we have this dried anardana which is available in the market. You have to roast it a little bit and then just coarsely grind it. I'm going to add in some roasted and crushed coriander seeds, followed by some chaat masala, some amount of salt, red chili powder also, and some garam masala powder. And now just mix this up. Well, this stuffing is almost done. So let's quickly stuff the dough. First, what you're going to do is just grease your fingers so that the dough doesn't stick to your hands. Now just spread it like this, and now into this let's put in the stuffing. And here you go. So here goes the dough, and now let's make our kulcha. So to start off with, let's take a little bit of flour, dust it here on our rolling board, and just with your fingers spread this. And now what you see here is done, but I'm just going to roll it once lightly with the pin. Well, the flame shouldn't be very high, and let's flip this now. There, you see this. Now this will really look good when we add a little bit of butter to this. And after you do this, we'll flip it once again. And here goes our Amritsari Aloo Kulcha. And here you go, your favorite recipe of Amritsari Kulcha is ready. Make it at home, serve it to all your family members and friends, and I'm sure they're all going to be very happy.